If you want to eject the SIM tray from Samsung Galaxy A57, but you do not have the SIM tray eject tool, then let me tell you some alternatives that you can use. Essentially, you are looking for something that is sturdy enough so that it doesn't break when you apply pressure. It should also be thin so that it fits this hole, and something straight. Now, a good example, I think the best option, is the paper clip. Usually you can unfold a small paper clip so one end is straight, then you can insert it gently into the SIM eject hole, and then you can press until the SIM tray pops out. And another good example is going to be earring posts that doesn't have like a hook, or it doesn't have like a decorative end. So if you have like a plain metal stud earring, you can probably use it over here and put it into this SIM tray hole. However, you want to make sure that it is clean and straight, and then insert it and press gently. Sewing needle or a pin might work as well, because usually they are thin. You want to hold a sewing needle or a pin steady and press straight in. You want to avoid angled pressure. You can also use something like a mechanical pencil if you have like a without lead, like if the lead is retracted or something. If you have like the pencil tip, it might work. However, of course, maybe not in every case. So if you do have like a mechanical pencil, you can give it a try, as long as it can actually fit into this hole. However, you want to be careful if you insert it into this SIM tray hole, because if you have like a plastic tip, then of course it can break easily, and you don't really want to do that. Now, if you are wondering what you should not use, then definitely you don't want to use toothpicks or wooden sticks, or probably anything wooden, because it can break off easily, and you want to avoid that. Safety pins with rounded ends are not going to work, most likely. Screws or nails should be avoided as well. Anything thick or blunt is not going to work too. So once you find your tool, you want to, of course, put it into this SIM tray hole, and then apply a little bit of pressure, push it into the phone to make the SIM tray pop out. And then, of course, you want to remove it completely from the phone with the help of your fingernails or fingers. And that is pretty much it. Of course, once you insert your SIM card or SIM cards, you want to put it back into the phone and slide it all the way in. Leave a like and subscribe.